Okay, today we're going to check what are superlative words. Superlative words are used to describe an object which is an upper or lower limit of quality. We use them in sentences where a subject is compared to a group of objects. Okay, but pay attention. In the lesson we checked before, comparative words, we compare two things, to animals or maybe to people. But in this, it's different. We are comparing with a group of people, maybe group of objects or group of animals. Okay, let's look at the structure. We start with the subject, the object, or maybe the animal, plus your article the, don't forget the, and the superlative adjective. Okay, for example, we have the sentence: the Mount Everest is, because it's singular, the highest mountain in the world. Okay, we have the article the and the adjective high in superlative form. So now, in superlative words are like comparative words. They are divided into short adjectives and long adjectives. If you have a short adjective like fine, cute, white, light, short, large, quick, safe, slow, fast, tall, small, or strong, you have to add at the end of the adjective the ending est and the article the. Fine, the finest, cute, the cutest, white, the whitest, light, the lightest, short, the shortest, and large, the largest. Okay, you have to add at the end est, and this is the phrase into superlative. Now, what about long adjectives? Long adjectives are different. We have, for example, the article the plus most. For example, we have beautiful, the most beautiful, dangerous, the most dangerous, complex, the most complex, interesting, the most interesting, difficult, the most difficult, famous, the most famous, and honest, the most honest. Now, luckily for you, short adjectives and long adjectives it's like comparative words. If you remember well, short adjectives it's like they were with one syllable or maybe two syllables, and long adjectives were with 2, 3, 4, 5 syllables. Okay, don't forget that. Now, in addition, we have the same rules in superlative expressions like comparatives. We have, for example, adjectives ending with y. What happened with them? We have the adjective bossy, easy, happy, lazy, funny, crazy, noisy, lonely. Okay, all of them end with y, and they are short. That's why we use the ending iest. We change the letter y into I plus est. We have bossy, the bossiest, easy, the easiest, happy, the happiest, lazy, the laziest, funny, the funniest, crazy, the craziest, noisy, the noisiest, and lonely, the loneliest. Okay, don't forget that. Now, what happened with CVC? Consonant, vowel, consonant, adjectives. We have, for example, big, fat, wet, slim, thin, sad, and hot. All of them end with the same order, CBC. That's why we have to repeat the last consonant and the ending est. For example, we have the adjective big. Big ends with G. That's why we use double G, biggest, the biggest, fat with T, the fattest, wet with T, the wettest, slim with M, double M, the slimmest, thin, the thinnest, sad, the saddest, and hot, the hottest. Okay, and finally We have also irregular adjectives, like in comparative topic. We have would change into the best, bad, worst, well, the best, little, the least, ill, the worst, many, the most, and far, maybe the farthest or maybe the forest. Okay, now here we have 7 sentences, and the idea is we have to complete the sentences with the adjective that is into the bracket and in the right form. Now pay attention. What is the first step? When you are doing exercises with superlative words, you have to remember how can you identify a superlative short and a superlative long. For example, we have good, cold, dangerous, happy, nice, big, and famous. Okay, now you have to check the adjective, and then you have to write, is it short? est. Is it long? The most. Okay, I'm going to give you some time, and then we're going to look at the answers. Okay, I think that it was enough time, so we're going to check what would be the right sentences. It says 1. My mom is the best. Why the best? At the first exercise we have would. Okay, but would, it's an irregular adjective. That's why we use the best. Mom is the best chef in the world. Number 2. December is the coldest month in the year in my country. Why coldest? Cold, it's short. Cold, one syllable. Cold is the coldest. Number 3 is a question. What is the most dangerous animal in the world? So you have dangerous, dangerous. It has 3 syllables. That's why we use the structure with long adjectives. What is the most dangerous animal in the world? Number 4, Ethan is the happiest boy that I know. Happy ends with Y. Okay, what happened with the adjectives with Y? We change them, okay, into IEST. Ethan is the happiest boy that I know. 5, where is the nicest beach in your country? Nice is short, that's why we use EST. 6, she bakes the biggest cake in the shop. We have big, it's a short adjective, but it's CVC, consonant vowel consonant. That's why we use double G, EST. She bakes the biggest cake in the shop. And finally, the last exercise 7. Who is the most famous singer in your country? We have famous, it's long adjective, famous. That's why we use who is the most famous singer in your country. Okay, now to finish it, here we have 10 sentences about superlatives. Now please, on your notebook, write them and answer them. When you finished, please take some photos about it and then send to a teacher. Thank you for today. That's all.